Okay, this is the external anatomy of a dogfish. So really, if we look at this, we could see the external fins, which are around preventing roll, yaw, and pitch. So we have our dorsal fins, and we have our pectoral paired fins, and our pelvic paired fins, and our caudal fin for propulsion. Okay, so the significance of this is they've evolved here for stable swimming, but then they're latter going to articulate with the skeleton in the Sarcopterygian tetrapods. Okay, so we can then look at our sensory systems. Dogfish are amazing. We've got a whole bunch. We have our eyes. Then we have also got nostrils for olfaction with an in-current and an ex-current. And we additionally have the pressure sensors, which is a lateral line along the side of the dogfish, not visible at present because they're very small, but they detect water currents. We have additionally a vestibular system internally, which sort of allow them to detect balance and movement. And finally, the ampullae lorenzini. And if we look closely here, if I press this, you'll see some fluid coming out of those ampullae, and they're also visible as tiny dots all over the snout of the dogfish and down the side of the head. And these are electroreceptive, which allows the shark to detect the muscle contractions, which are obviously releasing action potentials of their prey species in the water. As that allows them to detect prey, and there are potentially other functions for electroreception as well. For example, in orientation and directionality in the water, like for movement. Okay, so that's some of those sensory systems. We can then talk about the respiratory components. So on the top of the head we have a spiracle on either side, and then that is going to allow them to flow water through their gills. We have their external gills here. And that is great because if you're lying on the bottom or on the bottom, you don't want to be breathing silt with your mouth. You'd prefer to have water flow in here. They can breathe in the mouth as well, but they can also only breathe through the spiracles if required. Okay, so that's the external anatomy of a spiny dogfish.